Hello guys, welcome to my new channel EduPrep PUC. So today I am going to discuss with the exercise 3.1 matrices chapter. So I will make two videos on the first exercise itself, part 1 and part 2 for 3.1. So first we will go with the first question. This is I'm using an NCERT textbook, so we will solve first NCERT exercise question from the 3.1. In the matrices A, so given we will write here, this is they are telling A is the element. Okay, so we will write the element 2, 5, 19 and minus 7. Here we have 35 and root 3 minus 2, 1, 5 by 2 and minus 5, 12 and 17. So the question they have asked is write the order of matrix. So the first question is order of the matrix. So this is, you have three rows, that is R1, R2, R3. This is for your understanding, and you have 1, 2, 3 and 4. That is column 1, column 2, column 3 and column 4. Okay, so it means that you have how many rows? 4 rows and 3 rows and 4 column. 3 rows, 4 column. It should be rows and column, you need to calculate with m into n. So what is m means rows and column is nothing but n. So you have 3 rows and 4 columns. So this is the order of the matrix of this matrix. Okay, so second question they have asked is the number of elements. So to find the number of elements, 4 3s are 12, so that is the number of elements. If you have doubt, then you can calculate the elements in the matrix, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. This is 5 by 2, 1 only. Okay, so next question, third sub 3. Okay, for the first question, write the elements of A13. So I will show you, this is a general structure I am writing. This is A11, A12, A13, A14 and A21, A22, A23, A24, A31, A32, A33 and A34. So this is the general structure of matrix of this matrix. Okay, general structure of this particular matrix of 3 into 4 order. So they have asked the question here is A13. Okay, A13. So what is the value of A13 here? This is first row first column, first row second column and first row third column, A13. So you can write here A13 is equals to 19. Next they have asked is A21. A21 is this 35, A21 is 35, A33, A33 will come here. So this you should see in examination, this is the waste of time to understand. I'm telling you, you should go very fast, that you must know. A33, A33 is minus 5 and the last question A24 and A23. So A24 is 12 and A23 is 5 by 2. So this is the value. Okay, you must know fast. Now A32 they have asked means 3 is third row. This is first row, second row, third row, second column. This is 1. This you should understand first. Okay, just practice with the more questions. So second question, guys. So the question says, if a matrix has 24 elements, what are the possible order it can have and what is the 13th element? Okay, so listen carefully here. For the matrices has 24 elements means which elements where the 24 can be divisible, you should go. So I can divide one, multiply 1 into 24, also possible, that is 24 into 1 is also gives and 1 into 24. This both the possibles are there to form a matrix of 24 elements. So you can have two ones are. So what that two 12s are 24. So they are asking the multiples of 24 where the product should be having 24 has their element. Okay, मीन्स एक मैट्रिक्स दिया हुआ है, उसमें एलिमेंट्स कितना है 24 है, इसमें एलिमेंट्स कितना था 12 था, इसमें गिवन एलिमेंट्स आर 24. हम कैसा फॉर्म कर सकते हैं 1 × 24। 1 × 24 मतलब क्या है, एक रो हो सकता है, 24 कॉलम हो सकते हैं, या फिर 24 रोज हो सकते हैं और एक ही कॉलम हो सकता है, लेट वे ओके। 2 × 12 और इट कैन बी हैविंग 12 × 2 again। 3 × 8 is possible, 8 3s are 24 or 3 8s are, anyway you can go, and 4 6s are and 6 4s are. These are the possibles. You have 8 possibles to form a 24 element. And next question they have given sub question, what has if 13 elements. Listen carefully, if they are given odd numbers element, if you have 13 elements, it can form 1 × 13 and 13 × 1. Is there any other possible you can have? No. So if you odd numbers are given, it means that, or prime number, you can have only 2 possibles. So third question guys, if a matrix has 18 element, what are the possible orders it can have? Orders मतलब ये जो भी हम लोगों ने लिखा है, that is 18. So I can have 1 × 18. फर्स्ट आप जो भी लिखेगा 1 × 18 and 18 × 1 लिखना है। बाद में 2 9s भी 18 है और 9 2s भी 18 है। then 3 6 बाद में 6 3 9 2 लिखा हुआ है, 18 1 लिखा हुआ है। सो देयर आर हाउ मेनी पॉसिबल्स? 6 possibles, 1 2 3 4 5 6. And the next question is if what if it has 5 element, 5 is odd, so I can have possible is 1 × 5 it can be have, or 5 × 1. This is the possible. Next question, construct a 2 × 2 matrices. A is equals to Aij. Here I is nothing but row, J is the column whose elements are given. Okay, so we will form that. See, construct, first of all they are given 2 × 2 matrix. Okay, जो भी है गिवन इसमें 2 × 2 रहना चाहिए, मीन्स 2 कॉलम्स एंड 2 रोज। ओके, ये मतलब है 2 × 2 का। सो वेयर दे आर गिवन कंडीशन ए शुड बी इक्वल टू ए आई जे। ए इज द एलिमेंट ऑफ दिस एंड आई जे इज रो एंड कॉलम। सो हुज एलिमेंट्स, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन देख लेते हैं। ए आई जे इज इक्वल्स टू आई प्लस जे होल स्क्वेयर डिवाइड बाई 2। एनसीईआरटी का क्वेश्चन ही है, यू कैन सी हियर ए जे आई प्लस जे होल स्क्वायर बाई 2। सो इसमें क्या करना है? सो फर्स्ट यूनिट टू बी राइट हियर इज ए क्या दिया गया है? 2 × 2 मैट्रिसेस। हम जनरल स्ट्रक्चर 2 × 2 मैट्रिक्स को लिखेंगे, दैट इज A11 A12 A21 A22। सो ये क्या हो गया? 2 × 2 मैट्रिक्स है विच हैविंग 2 रोज एंड 2 कॉलम्स, और 2 × 2 मीन्स इफ़ यू वांट 3 × 4 मैट्रिक्स ए है, 4 columns and 3 rows. This is the general structure you must know to write. If you don't know the representation, watch my first video. So here this is the general structure of this. So इसमें क्या दिया गया है? I and J. So इसमें I is 1, J is 1. Is it clear? I told first only Aij should be formed. Is Aij form? A is there, Ij. This should be in this form into 2 × 2 matrix. This is the condition. The first question says that Aij is equals to I plus J whole square by 2. जो हमको यहाँ पर I और J का वैल्यू है ये इस इक्वेशन में पुट करना है, तो हम फर्स्ट पुट कर देते हैं। सो हमें क्या मिलेगा? फर्स्ट इसको A11 को क्या मिलेगा? 1 + 1 होल स्क्वायर डिवाइड बाई 2। ये बनेगा 2 होल स्क्वायर इज 4 4 बाई 2 विल बी व्हाट? 2। सो ये आपको कैलकुलेशन जल्दी करने आना चाहिए, यू शुड नॉट वेस्ट इन दिस सबमिशन टाइम। थोड़े लोग तो जल्दी ही लिख देते हैं जस्ट मैट्रिक्स काट के इसका वैल्यू। सो इसमें 1 है रो एंड जे इज कॉलम 2 स्क्वायर बाई 2 2 + 1 3। फर्स्ट अंडर ब्रैकेट के अंदर का है इसको करना चाहिए, बाद में बाहर का। सो 2 + 1 3 3 स्क्वायर इज 9 9 बाई 2। A21 will be 2 + 1. I will write directly 2 + 1 is 3 3 square is 9, again it will be 9 by 2 and 2 2 2 means 2 + 2 whole square divided by 2। मतलब क्या है? 2 + 2 4 4 square 16 16 by 2 8। सो आपको बाद में इस फॉर्म में लिखना है, दैट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ द A was what? This was equals to what? This was equal to A1 का उनका एलिमेंट लिखो 2, next it was 9 by 2, next it was again 9 by 2 and this is 8. This is the element of order 2 × 2 has 4 element also, this condition satisfy, where this you need to substitution. Okay, so we'll go to the next question. So नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ये देता है कि ए आई जे इक्वल्स आई डिवाइड बाई जे. सो कंडीशन ये है. सो हम फर्स्ट काट लेते हैं ऑर्डर ऑफ मैट्रिसेस A11 A12 A21 A22. दिस इज़ द जनरल स्ट्रक्चर फॉर द 2x2 मैट्रिक्स. यहाँ आपको इसका वैल्यू पुट करके 2x2 मैट्रिक्स आपको बनाना है. सो इफ़ आई टेक A11, so I will write directly. Now I will won't substitute here. I have told you first. So A11 means I का वैल्यू 1 है, J का वैल्यू 1 है. So 1 divided by 1 will be 1. सेकेंड कंडीशन फॉर A12. सो यहाँ पर 1/2 आएगा. क्यों? I का वैल्यू 1 है और J का वैल्यू क्या है? 2 है. सो 1/2 2 A21. यहाँ पर क्या आएगा? 2 आएगा. क्यों? 2 is the I and 1 is J. 2 by 1 is what? 2. Okay, you want that? I will 2 by 1 is equals to 2. This is 1 by 1 equals 1. And A 2 what? That is 2 by 2 get cancel. ये cancel होगा ना, तो ये भी 1 आएगा. So क्या